Hey everyone! Welcome back to the place where we turn complex cybersecurity topics into simple, snackable knowledge. Today, we're diving into virtual networking, an essential part of modern IT. If you've ever heard terms like Hypervisor, vSwitch, or vNIC and felt lost, don't worry, we're going to make it crystal clear. Let's start with the foundation, the hypervisor. A hypervisor is software that allows multiple virtual machines, or VMs, to run on a single physical machine. Think of it like a landlord renting out apartments in one building. Each VM acts like its own independent computer, but shares the same physical hardware. Now, each VM needs network access, just like any physical device. That's where vNICs, or virtual network interface cards, come in. A vNIC is a virtual version of the physical NIC in a computer. It lets the VM send and receive data on a network, as if it had its own physical network card. To connect all these VMs and vNICs, we use a vSwitch, or virtual switch. A vSwitch operates much like a physical Ethernet switch, directing traffic between VMs on the same host and out to the wider network if needed. It handles MAC addresses, manages ports, and can apply rules like VLAN tagging or security policies. There are different types of virtual switches depending on the platform, like standard vSwitches for basic connectivity and distributed vSwitches for more advanced, centralized management across multiple hosts. These allow for traffic shaping, monitoring, and segmentation within virtual environments. Why does this matter? Virtual networking gives IT teams flexibility, efficiency, and scalability. It allows rapid deployment of new services, isolates traffic for security, and optimizes resource use. Whether you're spinning up test environments or running large-scale cloud infrastructure, virtual networking is key. So next time you hear about vNICs or vSwitches, you'll know they're just digital counterparts to real-world hardware, working behind the scenes to keep virtual systems talking. We also have a whole playlist of videos covering networking concepts, including training that aligns with the CompTIA Network Plus certification. Be sure to check it out if you're ready to go deeper. Give us a like and hit subscribe for more cybersecurity tips. Catch you next time.